It's time to mix the secret sauce.
So this is basically how you can create colors and formulate any ratio for whatever you want to mix, whether it's primer or clear coat. For this case, we're doing clear coat. We're probably going to do, we'll say 4 ounces of clear coat. And we're using the DC 5335, which is an RM clear coat. It has really good chemical resistance and weathering and all that stuff, so it's just a really good clear. Right now it's basically saying place the can on the scale. These two are communicating, so this is going to tell you how much clear coat to weigh. Once you've weighed it and it zeroes it out, it's going to tell you to then move to hardener. You're going to weigh the hardener, and once that goes to 0, you're going to go to the next product, which will be reducer, and you're going to weigh out the reducer. Once that's weighed out, you stir it up, put it on your gun, and you're ready to spray. Clear coat, and all the products we use are factory approved products, so we're not using any cheap Nason or crappy paint.
We were talking about that. We saw that in Adam Elsie's vlog. I saw some Nason paint. I didn't know if it was good paint or bad paint, and let's just say we'll not comment on it any further. So what's the difference between diamond and Glazeret? Is it Glazeret?
Glazeret is, they're both made by the same company, which is BASF. BASF is probably the leading chemistry company in the entire world. They come from Germany, but BASF is a chemical company that's approved by just about all the OEM manufacturers. So I have a Glazeret poster here, but RM is also a factory OEM approved paint as well. This just happens to be a Glazeret poster, but they're both made
pretty
by
much
the
the same thing.
They're
same approval and everything.
Same approval, yes. The Glazeret is probably like maybe slightly more expensive, and it is like, I guess you would say it's like barely a level up from the RM line, but the RM line is just the same quality. It's still OEM approved, it's factory approved paint. It's one of the best of the best. This RM paint is better than just about every single body shop that you're going to go to that's spraying Sickens or Sherwin-Williams. All those paints don't even compare to even the RM paint, so it's good stuff. Like if you go to SEMA and you notice those SEMA builds, they'll usually have this logo on the bumper or on the car somewhere because you want to represent that you've spent tons of money on paint. For instance, look at this real quick. So I have a gallon of paint for the Mercury. So we haven't used this yet, but check the price on this gallon of paint. Almost $3,000 just for the base coat. That's not the clear coat and the reducer and the hardener and the primer and everything else that goes into it.
That's just for the color base coat.
Yeah, when you're wanting your $500 paint job, that's not even possible when you have $3,000 worth of base coat.
Jeez. All right, so no more asking for $500 paint jobs.
I'll be stoked.
We're surrounded by Crown Vics on the front, on the side, and in the back. It's all Crown Vics. Alright, how was it? How was it?
That was pretty fun.
Yeah, that's pretty fun.
The track is really grippy because everyone's been doing burnouts and donuts. So it was really like, definitely grippy, but I was trying to swing it out to the wall. So
trying to attack the wall maybe?
I'd like to, dude, I was trying to get really close.
Yeah.
I'd like to see.
You got close a little once. I'll see. I think how Tim filmed it from the outside.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how it looks from the outside.
Charged S2000. This thing is filthy.
What is up, guys? We're here at the Modded Kulture event. I got Rami with me. We're going to check out some cars.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop
I
it.
just want to show the size of this thing is insane.
Alright, I'm not sure if you guys can see me because I have a kind of a long lens right now, but that event was crazy. Unfortunately, I missed the first part of it, which was the show. Oh, yeah, here's the drag strip, by the way, just casually walking across the drag strip. Anyways, I missed the show part of it, but I did get to go in the burnouts, the drifting, whatever you want to call it, and in the, I think a backfire competition or whatever it is. So, yeah, it was pretty fun, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.